Who's KMA?
It's Kiss My Ass.
Oh. I didn't know. Do the official move. Now I can see.
That's my name.
Your name is Kiss My Ass?
Hey, Rod, come on over here, man.
Must be beautiful meeting the women. Like, hey, what's your name? Kiss.
Rodney and Lloyd Hood.
So, what's your last name? Ass. What's your middle name? So your name is Kiss My Ass? Man, that's worse than Gaylord
I
Poker.
really don't know. No. What happened was, they were talking about a little bit of teamwork. Told the guys to watch out for that. We want good sportsmanship. We want everybody being aggressive, making contact. They warn them if they continue to do what they consider teamwork to the black flag. All right, guys, let's run these cars together. Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Ready to crash! That's perfect. That knocked the dust out